What's up, guys? Today we're going to be asking ChatGPT to make redstone things for us, and we're going to see how accurate it is. So first we're going to be doing a redstone piston door thing. I actually don't know how to build this, so we're just going to hope this is accurate. So first it says, dig a 2x3 area in the ground where the door will be placed. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's a 2x3 area, right? Next, it says dig 2 blocks deep so that you have room to place the pistons underneath. So we'll just make this 2 blocks deep, like that. Alright, second step, it says place 2 sticky pistons horizontally in the bottom row facing each other. These will be the pistons that push the door blocks. Place 2 sticky pistons horizontally in the bottom row facing each other. That's 4. Wait. Like this? That's what we're going with. Next it says, do the same on the top row, making sure they face the same direction. Like that? Alright. Those pistons are not gonna... They're... Okay. We're just gonna go with it. Third step. In front of the sticky pistons, place the blocks that you want to use as your door. These will be pushed by the pistons. Let's just go with like some smooth quartz or something. Where's quartz? Oh, here. Block of quartz. This works. So like that is what I'm gathering, but again, this is not gonna work. Next, it says create the what? Wow. Create the redstone wiring. Behind the sticky pistons on the ground, place redstone dust running along the edge. You'll need this to power the pistons. On the ground, behind the piston, like that, along the edge. Okay. Add redstone torches at either side of the redstone line on the blocks where the pistons are. On the pistons, or this will serve as the power source to activate the pistons when you step on the pressure plates. I'm so confused. At either side of the redstone line, so like right like that. There's a freaking plane going over the house right now. It's loud. Add the pressure plates. Place two pressure plates on the ground in front of the door. We don't have a door yet, but okay. One on each side where you want the door to be activated by the players stepping on them. What I've gathered from that is this. What happens? Absolutely nothing. Connect the redstone. Connect the pressure plates to the redstone dust by running a wire of redstone from the plates to the area where you placed the redstone torches. That's about all I can do with that. Still nothing happens, by the way, but alright. Ensure that the redstone connects from the plates to the redstone torches, so that when someone steps on the plate, the pistons will activate. Well, I did what it told me to, but the pistons sure do not activate. Testing the door. Step on the pressure plates, and the pistons should retract, opening the door. When you step off the pressure plates, the pistons should push the door blocks back into place, closing the door. I just did this. It doesn't work. Also, what was the rest of the hole for then? This doesn't work though. Alright. That's a fail. Thanks, ChatGPT. Okay, so since that was such a fail, we're gonna do a flying machine. Once again, I don't know how to build this, but I assume it has to be in the air, so let's just... Alright, place the sticky pistons. Alright, place 2 sticky pistons next to each other, facing away from each other. This will be the mechanism for the moving flying machine. So 2 sticky pistons facing away from each other, like that. Right? Place the first piston with its face pointing. Yeah, we did that. Add the slime blocks. Attach slime blocks to the sticky pistons. Attach one slime block to the front of each piston facing outward. Alright. So, the slime blocks on the front of each piston like this, right? Place the observer. Place the observer so that the redstone signal can be detected and used to activate the pistons. Place the observer 1 block away from the front slime block, facing toward the back of the machine. Make sure the observer's face, the side with the red dot, is pointing toward the slime block. I thought that was the face. That looks like a face, doesn't it? Okay, wait, so does it have to be like that? Let me read the steps again. Place the observer so the redstone signal will be detected and used to activate the pistons. Place the observer 1 block away from the front slime block. That's 1 block away, right? Facing toward the back of the machine where the pistons are. It's facing toward the back of the machine. Does that make sense at all? Okay, I've done that. I don't think that's right. Add redstone dust. Place the redstone dust on top of the observer's output side. This will allow the observer to send a signal when it detects a change. I'm no redstone genius, but I'm pretty sure when a piston pushes a block, it's gonna break the redstone on top of that block. Is that what it's saying? Activate the flying machine. Activate the machine by placing a block next to the redstone dust. When the observer detects the block update when you place it, it will send a signal to the pistons, causing them to move the slime blocks forward, which moves the entire flying machine. Again, I'm no genius, but this is symmetrical, so which way is it going to go? Which way is forward, which way is backwards? Does that make sense? Well, anyway, if we just place a block here, yeah, nothing happens. Oh, let's just get this. Yeah, nothing happens. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm not sure if it would change anything. Yeah, no, it doesn't. What about that? Oh! Something happened. No joke, something happened. Were they supposed to be there? Yeah, that's a fail. ChatGPT, you failed. This should be fun. Next, we're gonna do a TNT cannon. First step is build the cannon's base. First, create a 3-block long trench in the ground. This is where TNT will be launched. A 3-block long trench, 1, 2, 3. Fill the bottom of the trench with building blocks to create a solid base. It kinda already is filled with building blocks, but quartz again. Set up the water source. At the end of the trench, opposite where you want to launch the TNT, place a water source block. This water will prevent the TNT from destroying your cannon. Yeah. Place the TNT in the trench. Place 4 pieces of TNT in the trench. Wait a second. 4 pieces of TNT in the trench? There's 3 blocks here. How am I supposed to put 4 in the trench? Well, we don't want to cover up the water source, right? But then again, it did say to put 4 in the trench. So there's 4. The TNT will be placed 1 block away from the water source, leaving space for the explosion. Wait, 1 block away from the water source? Oh crap, I covered it up. Should I do that then? That's 4 pieces of TNT. And it doesn't want us to cover up the water source, so... Set up the dispenser. Place a dispenser facing into the trench on one side, next to the TNT. Make sure the dispenser is placed at the same level as the TNT and facing toward the trench. Place it like that. It only said to place 1. Yeah, a dispenser. That's 1 dispenser. Alright, add redstone components. On top of the trench, next to the dispenser, place redstone torches to power the cannon and set off the TNT at the correct moment. That's not gonna work. But alright. I have no words, ChatGPT. Okay. We're gonna try to rebuild this. So it said a 3 block hole. It said to put 4 TNT in here. But that just didn't work. So what if we just do that? I know that's not what it said to do, but we kinda gotta try something else, right? Attach redstone dust next to the torches, forming a line connecting them. Then run the redstone dust to the dispenser. So, connect it to the torches. Or does it mean like that? Because that's a line that connects them and runs to the dispenser. Will that set off the dispenser? No, it doesn't. Activate the TNT cannon. This is not gonna work. To activate the TNT cannon, place a button or lever on the block adjacent. Okay, I don't know how to say that word, to be honest with you guys. Place a button or lever on the block. You know what does that mean? How do you spell that? Oh, okay, here it is. Oh, so very near, next to, or touching. Okay, so I'm just gonna say that means like right there, right? I think a button would make more sense though. Alright. Nothing's happening. This is not a TNT cannon. What's the point in the dispenser? It doesn't have anything in it. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today's strange video. I may make a part 2 eventually, because this was kind of fun. It was very funny. But, yeah. See ya.